Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's pretty late already today and I've been busy this morning. I was recording another video and I realized that I want to start making more stuff for my shop update. I definitely want to make a bag today. I'm going to be testing it out and see how much time it takes me to make it, because I think that one that I have in mind, that bag will definitely be like a next level from the bags that I now make, because mostly those are tote bags, but this one is gonna be more like a bag. Yesterday night I spent like hours browsing just what I want to add to my shop soon, and I think I have an idea of what I want to add. I definitely want to elevate my shop. I want to add more complicated products, like not just like simple ones. I love my totes, my makeup bags, I love everything that I have in my shop. I just want to make something fancier, you know? I want to make something more difficult. I want to make my life more difficult. I'm quilting this fabric right now. This is going to be my outer fabric for the bag that I'm making. I really like it. It's from Joann's. It's, I think, about 4 o'clock now. I definitely need like a energy drink. But yeah, I'm really excited about it. I think it'll come out really cute. Yesterday I made this bag. It's like a bigger tote bag with a zipper in it. I really love this one. I love the fabric. This is what it looks like inside. I think it came out really cute. It also has a pocket with like slots for your pens and like a bigger pocket as well. So it is available on my website now. I'm gonna be trying to make more in different fabrics. And today I made a shoulder bag. I have been wanting to make this kind of bag for months now, and I finally like worked out the pattern for it, and I made it today. This little shoulder bag. She's so cute. I paired this green fabric with pink zipper and pink gingham bows, and then the inside is also pink. This bag is 11 inches by 6 and the strap is 24, I believe. I think it'll go really well with little like sundresses that you might want to wear like come spring and summer. Hey guys, today's Tuesday. I'm having kind of a late start to my day. It's 11:20 already. I went to fabric store yesterday because I received a custom order with a specific fabric that I don't have in stock, and a person wanted the specific fabric for all of her items. It's a 5-item order, I believe. It's 4 makeup bags and a Kindle sleeve. That's what I'm going to be working on today, and I thought I would do a little fabric haul with you because I got more than what I needed, of course, as I always do. But yeah, I'll show you what fabric she picked out. This is the one that she wanted for all of her makeup bags and a Kindle sleeve. It's really cute. I have been eyeing this one for a long time because I think it would look pretty cute on either like tote bags or even bowl cozies. Also, I got just plain black because I want to make a similar one but like in darker colors, and I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this black fabric and have it like for the body, and I think I'm gonna do bows out of that red gingham ribbon with black. I think it'll look really cute. Then also I got this fabric. Oh, hello. I think she wants pets. Anyways, I got this blue gingham, but it's kind of like a larger checkered check. but it's larger print. It's not a small one like I have on my red one. I just want to try it out and see, maybe this would be cute. I definitely want to make some makeup bags with this. I think it'll be perfect. Maybe a tote bag. Maybe a tote bag that's this shape. This is the other one that I came up with for my new shop update. And I got this one for my spring collection. I'm planning to make some book sleeves and Kindle sleeves with this one. And the last one is just some white fabric for lining. It has like little leaves on it. So yeah, this is all the fabric that I got. Not a crazy amount. I always get new fabrics to try out because I like coming up with new designs and new patterns. Right now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna cut out everything for this custom order, and we're gonna be working on that, and hopefully I'll be able to finish it today. Finally quilted everything that I needed. This is going to be 2 makeup bags, a Kindle sleeve, and 2 coin purses. Now I just need to put in zippers and basically just put everything together. So I am done making this whole custom order. She did order just one of these mini coin pouches, but I made 2 like by mistake. So yeah, I'm gonna have one more already done if someone else decides to order it. Then I made these like mini makeup pouches that I have. I love the size of these. I'm definitely gonna be expanding and like making more like mini pouches like this because it is so cute. I think they would be perfect for people who have like who carry smaller purses and not big ones, because my pouches are usually like much bigger than this one, but she wanted like a smaller one, and I think this is just perfect for that. Then she got just a regular zipper pouch for her camera. Sorry, there's still some threads on it. Just a regular zipper pouch. Also love the way that it came out in a book sleeve. I mean the Kindle sleeve. And I might keep this one actually for myself and use it as my little wallet or like a coin pouch, because sometimes I don't want to carry my fat wallet with me. My wallet is just humongous, and sometimes you just want to carry like your credit card and like put it in your back pocket so it's not like so fat. So yeah, I think it's perfect for credit cards. I'll show you that it fits credit cards. Let me not share my credit card information. Okay, I'll just pick this regular card from a coffee shop. You can see that it fits nicely, and the money is gonna fit in there too. You can put like a lip balm in here if you wanna. I also did just receive these. These are clasp hardware things, so I can make my keychains, and I got them in different colors because I honestly don't know which ones I will like better. So yeah, they look pretty cute. And right now I had this idea of a keychain that I wanted to make, and I think I might do it today because it's pretty easy. Hey guys, today's Friday, and today I'm gonna be working on my new keychains. I actually got ready today. Full outfit, pants on too. I'm really proud of myself. Even though I'm gonna be at home all day, I decided that I need to get into a routine of getting ready anyways, because I feel more productive when I'm getting ready for my day. Anyways, today I'm gonna be working on making the new keychains and figuring out how I can attach them to the new clasp hooks that I got. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. I do feel much better today than yesterday. Yesterday I was really like anxious and not feeling well at all. Today is a completely different story. You know what I want to do now? I want to put some of the stickers that I made on my bottle, because my bottle doesn't have any stickers on it. I made some new ones with like inspired by my cat. It has this one. I think it's really cute. And these I had before. Oh, this is another new one. I love 90s, so I wanted to make something in that era. This is the other one. So yeah, let's put some on my bottle. Okay. Oh, this is great. Yeah, the first sticker launch that I did, I sold out so fast. But the second one, like I updated it and I haven't sold anything yet. I love it so much. Okay, so what I'm gonna work on is making keychains in the shape of a bow and a heart. So the second keychain that I'm gonna try to do is just a regular heart. The first one came out so cute. I have a lot of cut-offs from my other projects, and that's what I'm repurposing. I have like a very, very big box full of fabric cuts and like this batting that I use on all of my like bags and stuff. And I have a lot of just like tiny pieces, and I don't ever throw it away. Yeah, this one I decided to do a stitch outside and not hide raw edges because I wanted to fray, and I think it'll look really cute that way, because you don't need everything to look perfect, you know. You can have some frayed edges here and there if you like it. So I'm gonna just again reuse this part. Now I'll just make it a little bit more straight. And again, since we are leaving frayed edges, I don't need to sew it together to make a ribbon out of it. I actually do want to kind of fray a little more before I sew it on. And then I'm just gonna sew it on the back like this. I like easy projects like these. It kind of refreshes you a little bit from doing everything perfectly. I do get tired of making certain things, or like not even tired, but kind of burnt out. Sometimes you just want to do something imperfect, because all of us humans are very much imperfect. And something about doing things or like sewing just because you like it, even if it's not super tidy. Something about that makes me really happy. It would be cute to make like a little garland with a bunch of hearts like these. I really love how it turned out. I put this keychain on this bag and the heart on that one, and I think it matches pretty cute. So the rest of the day I'm gonna be working on adding more colors and making more keychains of the same shape, like bows and the hearts, but in different fabrics. Let me know which fabric you think would look the cutest for each of them. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.